Hi, this is Joseph. It is Monday, February 16th, 2015. We're just going to be trading during the London session, and I wanted to show you a trade we just recently closed. This was the last trade on the executed with the trade copier. This was on the euro dollar. This was a 30-minute time frame. This was the HL30. So here we had Sunday or Monday's open. This is the start of the trading for the new week. And we waited for price to come back down within that 10 pip range for that HL30. So over the weekend, we held a webinar, a workshop, and we were talking about the HL30s exclusively, how to use it in the first few hours of trading each new trading session, specifically after the rollover period. And you can see here with the dotted line, that is the start of the new day. Obviously, it's Sunday or Monday, depending on where you live. And price needs to come down to at least 10 pips within that 10 pip range of the previous day's low or high. This was my high and low for the previous day. That was Friday's trading range. And then I got my reversal signal candle. So this was my entry at 1.1397. And we take a 20 pip target. Whenever I execute this strategy on the euro dollar, it's always a 20 pip target, 20 pip stop. So you can see where the stop would have been just below the support right around in here. Not even going to put it in there because it didn't even make a difference. I mean, it really didn't pull back all that much. And then it just continued to move steadily. It took a few hours, though. This one took a little bit longer than some of the others. Some of them will actually reach their target maybe within the first hour or so. Other times we might have to hold on to the trade for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hours. It really depends on the market conditions. So it is worth looking for HL30s when the market opens. But you've got to do it carefully. I mean, you've got to be picking the right opportunity. You've got to be picking it or trading it in the right direction. There are some tips and nuances that I highly recommend you watch in the traders course that I offer. So I break down in more detail when not to use the HL30 and when the best time to use the HL30, so that way you can maximize your profits and try to eliminate any possible losses with this. So we did execute this trade with the trade copier. So it's approximately 20 pips on this one. And then after that, we're probably not going to trade at all through the New York session just because it's a bank holiday in the United States. And I generally don't trade during bank holidays. Now, if it's a bank holiday where I think that we might see some activity, I'll trade it. But if it looks like it's just going to go sideways or slow, there's no point in just sitting there waiting all day long for nothing. So we come back into trading during the Asian session. I'm watching price for the most part around the clock when the market's open. So we'll keep an eye on it and look for another trading opportunity. But so far, all we've really had was that one loss last week of -9 pips. All the rest of the trades have been nothing but winning trades. And you can get the same results when you use a trade copier. Click the purchase button on the website and you can sign up to use the trade copier, and it takes about 5 minutes or less to install it onto your trading platform, and then you'll get trades just like this. Thanks for watching this video. Good luck trading this week.